All right, how to remove mildew smell. Well, first thing you need is a bowl, white vinegar, good clean rag. Okay, so we're just gonna take some vinegar, put it in the bowl. Okay, then we're gonna take the rag and we're gonna immerse it into the vinegar. Straight vinegar, straight vinegar. Okay, you may pull something out of the garage, or you may have chairs stored somewhere in a shed and you pull them out and they smell like mildew. Well, this is the way to get rid of it. Straight vinegar or a bag, like this bag's been sitting in the garage and now it's got a mildew smell, but it's easy to get rid of. You just wipe it down everywhere. Wipe it down with vinegar, okay? Wipe it down with vinegar. Wipe, 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 wipe. Wipe that sucker down with vinegar. And then we're going to set it out nice and open, a chair or a couch or whatever you wipe down that has a mildew smell, you're going to let it air out and air dry. And if it still has a smell, you may have to do a second application. Real simple, it's cheap, easy to do. And I tell you what, it really works. Just using straight vinegar. Straight vinegar on this chair. It's been sitting in the shed. Smells like mildew. Wipe it down, all the legs, all the back, all the front. Straight vinegar, just wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe it down. One or two applications, usually one will do it. Wipe it everywhere, get it nice and wet, and then let it air dry. This guitar case has been in a shipping container. Wipe it down with straight vinegar. One, maybe two applications will remove that smell. It'll smell like brand new, or at least smell clean. No more mildew smell. Good luck, God bless, this works for me.